quick little trade for the day. Let's see. Two RR codes. Mm, as we can see, price is hella shitty. Quickly we started to see some volume. Was looking for sells because price couldn't break the Asia high through the day, and we were consolidating to the downside. Pushed up, then it went below again, so we could see some type of market structure shift on a higher time frame. 5 minutes looking good. Marked this out, but because of the bullish movement, I didn't count this as a market structure shift. But here we have the official 5-minute market structure shift and the breakout structure. Now looking for entries. Price pushes up. Don't see any possibilities here. Then price managed to go all the way down here. Oh, this one shouldn't be there. All the way down here, and I'm finally looking at taking the sell when this closes. What happens instead is price pushes hella fucking like 50 pips to the downside, and my TP would be around. It will be a not a trade, would be a 1-to-1 RR, so didn't take it. What we also see here is a breakout structure of the 30-minute, 1-hour trend. So or market structure shift, I could say, but I call it a breakout structure here because I already have marked out the market. Okay, and why did I take this entry? I saw a possibility here when this one flipped. Wouldn't have been too much of a difference, I would say. Officially, this would be 209 versus, or originally it would be 268 versus 224. So not a big difference. I'm happy with this trade. What we can see happening, let's go in 1 minute just to get a better look. Price continues on the downside. And after this I'm looking for an entry. So basically price retests this zone, catches some liquidity, instant push to the downside, enters the trade, stop loss above this zone, and I'm kinda just looking for a quick scalp, to be honest. What I see happening though is, as you can see, I marked out scary zone, and that's because we tap, and we basically tap, and price just reverses. So I call this a scary zone, even though it really isn't. My official TP was here. That will be a 3 RR almost, 299 probably. But as we can see, I'm pretty happy with this trade. Manually closed at the zone I was kind of scared of. And as we can see, liquidity was grabbed, support was touched, and then price went straight up. So to me, this was a really good trade. Happy with this one. Market was there was a volume in the market, so I had to put a manual order. I always use buy orders and say, okay, yeah, I can't talk for shit, but y'all get me. So basically, I had to take the entry myself, and then that means I risked a little less than usual because I had to get a live entry. But as we can see, I managed to catch 2 RR. Basically, my entry, as we can see, long wicks. I don't think I mentioned that, but there was long wicks to the upside, and the price just kept going down, I would say. So what I was looking for was officially or originally a entry here with my stop loss above here, but took the trade manual, and the second I pressed sell, it was already down here. So still a good trade. I'm very happy with it. Hoping for another good trade tomorrow, I guess. Friday, lots of news. Scary day. Let's see.